So, Chef Moretti, welcome and thank you so much for making the time to come and teach us today about the wonderful Malagasy culture and food. I know it's very dear to your heart. I know you want to spread your culture and the love of food with others, and so we really appreciate you coming today, and congratulations on your new cookbook. I can't wait to go through it with my chef and try all the recipes. So thank you.
As you well know, it's my pleasure and my honor, Madame, to be here in your house to share this moment with you.
Thank you.
Yeah. In the beginning, we'll prepare one very well-known Malagasy street food. The name is mufwanana. So it's watercress with tomato and some onion and flour. Like a cream with pumpkin and peanuts.
Okay.
And it's very easy to prepare it.
Pumpkin is such a popular dish throughout Africa because it's easy to grow, it's very nutritious, and that's something in Madagascar. And I think that is special about your cooking too, is it's not just that it's, tastes good and it looks pretty. You're using all the local nutritious, very highly nutritious products. And that's really key in Madagascar. You grow so many things. You are so lucky with your different climates. But I think people don't really know how to eat the most nutritious of the foods, whether it's greens or pumpkin. They want to, they'll eat corn or rice or tradition, and there's nothing wrong with that. But mixing in these wonderful local nutritious foods is so important.
This recipe is from the east coast of Madagascar. What we will use today is not the common ravitoto, but we'll use the ravitoto finch. The cassava leaves should be mashed with anamalo. So we have finished to cook the Ravikazaha masametso orandava. That means the green cassava leaves and the shrimp. We eat it mainly with rice, but today we try to present it in a fish cone.
Okay. Okay. I'm going to try. Oh my God. That is really special. What a taste. So what the chef does is she's got this combination of interesting flavors, and you can taste each one. They're separate, but they're blended together. That is just amazing. Well, Chef Moretti, thank you. This looks amazing. Can you tell us a little bit about what we're eating today?
Street food from the west coast of Madagascar, specifically from Nzinga and Tiakaly, this part of Madagascar. So how we eat it? You take the cassava, fried cassava, you dip it in the cream of peanuts.
Okay. I would never have put the peanut on the cassava, but that is really good.
It's a real pleasure for me to offer you this book, like a souvenir of Madagascar and its taste.
So I think this inscription is perfect for a description of what this book is. It says, hope you will enjoy traveling through the recipes and the stories in this book. And I think that's really what is most impressive. It's not just the recipes. It's a journey throughout different parts of Madagascar. And it's the stories of the people and the culture and the foods that you found in those different areas of Madagascar. So it's an adventure in cuisine, and it's an adventure in learning about this culture and this wonderful country. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you very much.